Alrighty then. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Priscilla. So I had a couple of people ask me this and I thought it would be really cute. Some people were asking me how to draw a unicorn. So I kind of touched base on this unicorn in my highlighter challenge. I actually did a doodle of this unicorn. I just made it up from my imagination, but there was somebody who posted on Facebook of a little meme that said, if a unicorn wears a tutu, how does she wear it? Does she wear it like this or does she wear it like this? So then I thought it was cute and I went ahead and I drew my own version of what a unicorn would look like in a tutu. So I wanted to teach you how to draw my character LooLoo, the unicorn, in her tutu. So this would be great for any unicorn lovers, and just in general, if you just like unicorns, it would be cute on birthday cards or just for anything. But all you're gonna do is start off with a circle. After your circle, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and bring down here and connect back up to here. And this is how I've always drawn horses. So after that, even though it's a horse, I still divide where the middle of her face is. And then her eye line is roughly where this circle line is, but I'm just gonna bring it up just a little bit. And I'll actually go ahead and get rid of this line. So what I'm gonna do for her eyes is what I did is I jumped over here and I made a bridge here and then a bridge here. But I brought it all the way down to the eye line and then I went from the corner and then brought it up. So it looks more like a seed. And then I jumped over here and I just rounded off the bottom over here. And then I bring out her forehead just a little bit. Bring this down. And then from here, that's when I would make one little nostril. Jump over off to the side just a little bit. And make another little nostril. And then I would make almost the same shape that I made with the eyes. And make her actual nostril. And then from up and over here, I would just line along the bottom of her face. Bring it up. And make that smile. And make sure you keep this part. I jump inside of her eye, make one little pupil, and jumped inside of this side of her eye. And what I did with LooLoo is I gave her really thick eyelashes. So it looked like that. A couple of eyelashes, jump over here, and a couple eyelashes over there. Get rid of that guideline. Now I didn't really give her a pupil and I didn't really give her an iris like together, but I gave her really bright blue eyes. That is supposed to be her pupil. So if you just color it in all the way, color it in all the way. You can go ahead and get rid of some guidelines. After that, I'm going to jump on top of her head and give her one ear up here and then an ear over here. And then I'm going to jump to where that middle line was. I can roughly still see it in between her eyes. And give her that circle in the middle of her forehead. For her ears, it's pretty simple. I just chop off this side over here. And then I'm just going to chop off this side over here. What I'm going to do from that circle is I'm going to bring up one side over here and then go right back down and connect on the other side. And then we have our horn. If I jump inside and erase here, and round off the horn, I'm going to jump around the horn, cut off the bottom of her ear, curl it towards her eye, jump back up, a little bit close to her eye again, and there's her bangs, and then this part is going to continue back this way, and then this part I'm gonna just draw lightly through her horn. And I'm gonna make her hair a little bit lumpy just to make it look like it has lots of curls in it. So how I divided up her hair is I divided up her bangs to go this way. Strands of hair going this way. And then the rest is going this way. You're going to jump back behind her head and bring down this side of her neck. And then I'm going to jump over here and bring down this side of her neck underneath her mouth directly. And then I'm going to start bringing down her legs. So I bring down this side right here. Round off the bottom of her hoof. Bring it up. And then I jump over here. Bring down this side of her hoof. I'm going to connect these together, but this one's going to go this way. And I'm actually going to come over here and curve this going that way, but still make sure that you have that line. I'm going to go ahead and continue the rest of her hair, so I'm just going to jump back behind this ear and curve it out this way, curve back in, and go right back up into this mass. And then I'm going to go ahead and repeat that same pattern where it was going in sections. I'm going to go ahead and start making her tutu, and then we'll make her legs. So back behind here, I have her hooves kind of like this because I wanted it to look like she was smoothing out her tutu. So we're going to start right at her hooves, where that tutu is, and you're basically going to make a flower. So I'm going to jump over here, back behind her hoof. I'm going to make one little petal here, and then I'm going to jump out this way, make another little petal, jump out this way, and connect to the big flower petal we just made right there. And then I'm going to jump over here, do the same thing, kind of at the same level on this side. Round it off, bring out this side again, round it off. Bring out this side again and connect it back to here. And then what you can do is I just like to connect it all together to make it look like a skirt, just a little bit more. Bring out this hoof here. So I go out from this side of this part of the tutu, bring out this side of this hoof, bring it back, bring it back in, and then jump over off to this one. And bring out this hoof as well, round off her hoof, and then go back in. And then I'm actually going to jump back here to this tutu, bring up her tail, and curve back in, like it's underneath her tutu, and it's just kind of waving up. This is a very cartoony way of. So I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with her mane and divide the sections of her tail. And then for her hoofs, what I do is I just round off the bottom to make them look like gumdrops. Round off here and round off here. There you you go. There's my little unicorn that I doodled not too long ago, and I really hope you guys will give it a go. I mean, it's always going to be a fun little thing, especially if it's on like a birthday card or just for fun if you're just doodling around, or maybe you can just branch off of this unicorn and create your own unicorn. But yes, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and if you draw LooLoo, let me know. Just tag me on Instagram or something, and I usually see your photos if you tag me on Instagram. So yes, guys, have a most wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you all later. As always, leave in the comments down below who you'd like to draw next.